Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fiesta brake pads, updated. Jack the car securely and remove the wheel. Keep a firm hand on the caliper and wear gloves to avoid brake dust. Work on level ground and use jack stands for safety. Gather 14 mm socket, C-clamp, new pads, and brake cleaner before you begin to keep the job smooth. Follow the vehicle manual torque specs when tightening lug nuts to ensure safe road use. Use a 14 mm or 15 mm socket to remove the two caliper guide bolts and slide the caliper free. Compress the pistons slowly with a C-clamp to make room for new pads. Clean the caliper and bracket with brake cleaner and inspect the rotor for scoring. Apply a thin layer of high-temperature grease to the pad contact points to prevent squeal and ensure smooth operation. Replace hardware if worn and follow any pad bedding procedures recommended by the pad manufacturer. Quick recommendation: if you like gadgets, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for effortless floor care after a messy brake job. It offers smart voice control and powerful cleaning so you can focus on repairs, not sweeping up brake dust. If this video helps, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals and enjoy a cleaner garage. Now let's get back to the video. Reinstall the caliper over the new pads and torque the guide bolts to manufacturer specs using a torque wrench. Refit the wheel and tighten lug nuts in a star pattern to the correct torque to avoid rotor warp. Lower the car and pump the brake pedal until it feels firm before driving. Test the brakes at low speed and check for leaks, unusual noises, or pulling to one side. Always follow local road laws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.